I'm gonna be reviewing another budget-friendly RC aircraft, guys. Again, so this is Galaxy Ship. This is a, I think, 3-channel budget RC plane. This is capable of taking off and landing on the water because of the design, and it has a differential thrust and elevator. So throttle, differential thrust for the turning, and elevator. So it can compose of a 3-channel. So this is a very budget friendly RC plane, guys. If you just want to have fun, then this is the RC plane for you. No big budget needed to just to have fun. This is a very budget friendly RC plane. Affordable, budget friendly, cheap. So it has a on and off button here. It's just almost invisible. It's the icon only, the button icon. So you just have to press it hard. Then I think it's already bind. Yeah, it's already bind. Yeah, differential thrust is working. Elevator, nice. This is already stuck for months, and already stuck for months. I hope it will still work just like new. Yeah, so I'm gonna be doing a hand draw. Very good weather, hot, sunny, and calm. So very nice day to fly and to have fun. So yeah, Sky Guardians Galaxy Ship. Yeah, I wanna try. Let's go. Ooh. Oh, still a nice toy RC plane. So if your goal is just to have fun, then budget RC plane is the one for you. Like this one. Look at this. So you don't need a big budget for you to have fun, for some kind of RC toy, RC plane fun. Look at this. And it can be used on the water, you know, for taking off and landing on the water because of the design. It's like a boat hull design. Very nice. Ooh. Very nice, guys. Fun. This already stuck for, or just sitting in the storage for months. So, and the past days, months, we had very bad weather always, you know, due to typhoon. Because you know, October, November, December to January, it's a typhoon season, rainy season. So it's very hard for me to come out and play RC plane because it's too windy, rain, you know. I mean, the weather is not that conducive to play RC plane. So as you can notice in my YouTube channel, there is no so much uploaded videos during those times because yun nga, because of the very bad weather. The weather is not friendly, and now it's almost summer season here, so we expect a hot, sunny days, months, and calm days. Anyway, going back to this kind of RC plane. So this is my review and test flight of this small RC plane. Very fun. Look at that. Very calm day. Just for fun. As I was saying, if you just want to have fun, if you don't want to show, you know, if you don't want to spend a big chunk of money to just have fun, then budget friendly RC plane is for you, like mine, this one. Very easy to fly with a 6-axis gyro stabilization, guys, so it's very easy to fly and very stable, so you don't have to worry about crashing or flying away because this is very stable and very easy to fly. Very easy to fly, guys. Ooh. Very fun. So if you're just missing flying, anyway, I'm not against those guys with big RC plane. I'm not against. I'm happy for them. But for me, in my case, I am just a hobbyist and restricted with the fund, with the money. So I just resort to this kind of toys. So it's fun, not bad. Look at this. And this is just for my content, for my YouTube channel. And this is for the RC pilot who just want some budget-friendly RC plane. So I'm just showing them the choices they have, or so that they can have some other choices if they just, especially for the beginner guys, diba? If you're a beginner, so you are not yet that's why it's called beginner, because you are not yet expert with flying. So if you are not yet expert, and if you are just a beginner, so the possibilities are, there are big chances of crashing, you know, crashing, flying away. So in such cases, guys, I highly recommend the RC plane which are cheap only, like these ones, you know, for you to practice, diba? Practice and be familiarized with the, you know, with the techniques, with the turns, etc., you know, with everything when it comes to flying and with the aircraft. And if you want to level up, then you can go to, or you can have your bigger RC plane, you know, with a 7.4 volts battery, 11.1, and so on. And if you have a big storage, guys, I think this is the main reason why I just resort to small RC planes, beginner RC planes, because I don't have a big storage. It's very hard for me to keep those these RC planes, guys, especially the ones with the bigger wingspan, bigger body, bigger fuselage. It's very hard for me to keep them in a storage. I have a very limited storage, guys. So that's why I just resorted to this kind of RC plane, the small ones. And of course the budget. That's why it's called budget friendly RC plane, guys, because I just want to have fun in a budget. Look at this. Now this RC plane, guys. I already tried this to fly on the water. I took off on the water and it's very fun. When I flew this at Kamsur Water Sports Complex. Oh yeah, there's the signal. There's the warning. Nice. And it's not bad because there's a warning, guys. You wanna get lost, you wanna get fly away. you won't crash this one because of the ooh. I love it guys, excellent, I love it. Subscribe to my channel guys, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up guys. I love this kind of RC plane guys. Very nice, very easy to land guys, very easy to land, very easy to take off, and very easy to land. So you don't need a big ground, big space, and asphalted or smooth surface to have fun with this kind of RC plane. It's very nice. It's very nice. You can just take off this, you can just throw this, hand throw, and landing is very easy. So, and it's very light guys, so you don't need to worry about you won't be worried about crashing it during landing, you know, because it's very light, and it's made of durable foam, EPP foam, very durable and very light guys. Look at this. You can just throw this around without worrying about crashing or breaking the fuselage.